If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony! What's your name? Ezekiel! Fuck you, Ezekiel! Ah! Come on! Come on! Go on, get it!
Who's most likely to doggy daycare edition? Who's most likely to jump a fence? Who is most likely to pee on somebody? Who will start talking soon? Who is most likely to sleep all day? Who is your shadow? Who is most likely to take a bath in a water bowl? Who is most judgmental? Who is most likely to steal some treats? Who is the funniest? Who would be the best parent? Who is the biggest drama queen?
Is this normal? Look at this. Is this normal? No way. What is she doing? I never know what she's doing in there. I never know.